First, we import the image component from NextJS. This component is specially optimized for NextJS applications and allows for automatic image optimization. Here we're defining a React functional component named avatar. This component will accept two props, src for the source of the image, and alt for the alternative text, providing a description if the image fails to load. We are creating a div container for our image. The Tailwind CSS classes set the height and width at different breakpoints, which makes the image responsive. The relative class positions the image relative to this container. We then insert the NextJS image component inside our div container. This setup allows us to take advantage of the responsive container utilizing Tailwind CSS classes. We set the layout prop to fill, which tells the image component to stretch the image to fill the entire container while still preserving its intrinsic aspect ratio. By setting the object fit to cover, we ensure that the content is resized to maintain its aspect ratio while filling the element's entire content box. If the object's aspect ratio does not match the aspect ratio of its box, then the object will be clipped to fit. In addition, we add a rounded full Tailwind CSS class directly to the image. This applies a circular mask to the image, perfect for creating rounded avatars. We close the image component tag, and since we're using JSX, we self-close the tag with a slash at the end. Finally, we close the div element, completing our avatar component declaration. And that concludes our avatar function. By combining NextJS's optimized image component with the utility classes provided by Tailwind CSS, we can easily create responsive and stylish images.